Hi everyone, in this video I will show you how to change email on Facebook. So first things first, you have to make sure that you're using the latest version of your Facebook application. Step 1, you need to launch your Facebook application and then tap on your profile at the top right corner. Click this one. Now you have to locate settings or the gear icon. Tap on the gear icon right here. And then you have to tap on Account Center. Click Account Center. And then what you're going to do here is you have to scroll down and look for the personal information. So tap on personal information. Here in the personal information, you will see here your contacts. Tap on contacts and all of the email address and your phone number are listed here. In order for you to add email address or change email address, you just have to click that specific email address and then you can tap on delete or delete email and then just tap on delete to confirm. Now you can go back. Now to change that, you need to add another email address. So you have to tap on add account right here. And below the accounts here, you have to click the Facebook and then you have to tap on add email address instead of the phone number. So tap on add email address and then after that, you can now add your email address right here. So enter your email address and then once done, then that email address will receive a code and all you need to do is to enter that code right here in order for you to confirm or in order for Facebook to confirm that you're the one who's using this email address. So once done, then all you need to do is tap on next and then it will show as pending here. And that's how easy it is to change email on Facebook. Thank you for watching and see you again in our next video tutorials.